Yeah.
Today we are going to talk a lot about tractors.
Yeah.
It's our main goal because here in Spain tractors are so famous, are so important. And I want to ask you first about a golden tractor that we are seeing in social media. Tell us a little bit about this amazing tractor.
Hello everybody. Yeah, we made a golden tractor, yeah, and it's powered by electricity, because our intention is to fight for better planet, to save the planet, to plant a tree to save the planet, to choose renewable sources of energy, to stop using fossil fuels and things like that. For generations after us, we have responsibility to do that, and so we made that golden tractor, and it is our weapon against stupidity in first case, and also it's our weapon against race for the money, race for the profit, race for the, I don't know, for expansions, for occupations, everything which is in some kind of way not sensible to the other people. We are for all the people. We are not against anyone, but we are for all the people. My friend will say something more on Croatian,
Yeah.
and it's his opportunity to hear the Croatian language.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ja bih samo dodao da je zlatni traktor simbol transhumanizma. A drugim riječima to znači da čovjek nikad tehnološki nije bio bliže tome da pomoću tehnologije iskorijeni siromaštvo na svijetu, da iskorijeni glad i da svi budemo sretni i zadovoljni i da živimo u jednom jedinstvenom preljepom svijetu. Znači da ima pravo na život, pravo na stanovanje, pravo na seksualnu, rodnu opredjeljenost i da budemo puno tolerantni jedni prema drugima. A drugom riječju da bi to uspjeli, kao što je moj kolega malo prije rekao, prvenstveno moramo iskopčati, isključiti i izbrisati ljudsku glupost. Kad to postignemo, onda ćemo moći puno jednostavnije postići sve ovo zajedno.
How are you facing the little controversy that is surrounding the Croatian participation this year at Eurovision?
Honestly, I didn't understand all question.
How are you facing the haters?
Yeah.
Kako se nosimo sa ovim kontroverzama koje su se javile oko našeg
From
Ja ne znam koji kontroverze.
I don't know, but okay, we are our expression and our style is always made reactions. It is good because if you made some action, you have to make and reaction also. And I think it's our song "Mama Što" is one little funny, stupid but clever song, which is some kind of art piece. And when artists do art, it is usually to make a conversation and it's controversial and it's accepted. Because we think it's the destiny of art masterpieces. For hundreds of years, people discuss about, for example, Mona Lisa. Who is Mona Lisa? Is Mona Lisa maybe a young man? Why Mona Lisa? And things like that. And okay, Mama Stu is not a Mona Lisa, but it's an art masterpiece.
My colleague is talking a lot about the similarities with your song and a song from Queen
Yeah.
in the instrumental. And I want to ask you about this similarity, if you think could be similar, the song, and finally, if he's okay or you're wrong.
I for sure will be wrong because I'm always wrong.
You mean Queen, like a band Queen, you mean something like that? Yeah, but I think the song have some similarities. Yes, I don't sorry for my pidgin English, I haven't killed myself. It's a little rock opera. And Queen are really are masters of rock opera, of little rock operas. And in that...
I was right. Just for the record, I was right.
Yeah. Of course, yeah. There is some, and when I was a kid, Queen was maybe a first band which I really, oh my God, what is this? When I heard first time Bohemian Rhapsody, I was, oh my God, what is this? It's a beautiful song. It's out of time. It's forever, and. Yeah, there is some similarities. I don't have to say.
Dodao bi nešto samo.
Here again.
Sama pjesma je nastala u biti iz razloga zato što prije toga sam radio glazbu za jednu kazališnu predstavu i tu smo mi napravili toliko puno muzike. Na kraju je bila ideja da se ta muzika iskoristi za jedan potpuno novi projekt, da se toga napravi ratna opera. Tematika ovog je bila također ratna. A iz toga treba izaći kao ratna opera, gdje je naravno bilo puno instrumenata koji su klasični instrumenti i gdje je bilo naravno i puno zborova. Tako da je to povuklo, iz tog razloga je nastala i ta naša pjesma, kasnije Mama Š, koju smo naknadno napravili baš za ovu prigodu.
We will show you something that is very deep in our heart.
Another tractor.
Another tractor, but this is from Spain.
Yeah.
You have the golden tractor. Here in Spain we have the yellow tractor.
Yeah.
So we will show you the song.
Why you have a yellow tractor?
I don't know.
It was a song very famous 30 years ago, and it was like the Beatles has their yellow submarine. Here in Spain we have the yellow tractor.
You have yellow tractor like a yellow submarine. Okay.
So
it's funny.
Listen to this.
Yes. And what There's a Spanish song about tractor.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Tractor anthem.
Yeah, it's basically, I have a yellow tractor. It's so trendy right now, the yellow tractor.
And that's it.
And that's it. That's the message of the song.
So tractors are trendy. We're trendy then. They are trendy now. Thank you so much for letting have this interview with you.
Yeah, of course. But we are proud of if we really. Yeah. Tractors. Tractors are beautiful.
He's enjoying the tractor.
Yeah. Yeah, he enjoyed very well.
Enjoying tractor. Yeah, I like gold tractor.
You like the tractor.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And yellow tractor is wow, super. Spain tractor, the best tractor.
Thank you so much.
Spanish tractor, the best tractor. Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
Did Fernando Alonso drive tractor?
Yes,
No.
33, the 33 tractor.
Tengo un tractor amarillo.